All right, story time. So we had to change trains. Our train got there as soon as we
What you doing?
as soon as we got there. I'm doing the store. So I got these two big 50-pound suitcases.
They ain't got nobody in the transportation.
So this little girl jump off the train with a handbag. I said, hey, look, I turned around, she was gone. I said, Juice. I said, Juice. I was like, yo, what's on?
You got people in the bus?
I was like, what's going on? Man, I had to run all the way to.
Contrôle d'identité, s'il vous plaît, messieurs, dames.
Uh-oh.
Okay, all right.
I'll finish the story later. What do you want? Huh?
Ticket.
Oh, ticket. Oh, it's my phone. What? Come on, handle my phone. When you come back here, I'll show it to him. Oh my God. You are. What's real about the passports? You got to have one.
Allez.
Look at her. What you gonna do if I ain't got your passport?
First of all, I gave it to you. Okay. I want a Monaco stamp.
Well, I'm glad.
I want a stamp.
I'm glad we together. Cause you would have been stuck.
Oh, if you would.
Yeah, exactly.
I want to jump back out.
No, you wouldn't.
Sì, perché escono. Poi dopo ritornano in porto, capito? Questi non vanno in giro. Si mettono qua per farsi vedere.
We are in Niceville. Learning our way around. Train station.